that provides technical solutions across the world. So today we will be taking topic basics of NetSuite in NetSuite applications. So first of all, we will be starting with meaning of NetSuite application. So NetSuite is a business management solution that integrates core processes into a single system. So it provides financial management, order management, customer relationship management, inventory and e-commerce, all accessible via the cloud. So businesses can manage everything in one place, from financial reporting to customer interaction, enhancing transparency and efficiency. Then comes our features. So it is a cloud-based ERP. It integrates financial management. It provides us customer relationship management. It also manages inventory and supply chain. It is having customizable dashboard and reporting tools. It supports multiple currency and multiple subsidiary, and it also integrates e-commerce sites. Then comes our benefits. So firstly, it provides scalability in organization, which means it is easily scales with business growth, supporting startups to large enterprises. Then comes our automation. So it reduces manual work and improves operational efficiency through automation. It also provides us real-time data visibility. So in NetSuite application, dashboards provides real-time insights into business performances, enhancing decision making. Also, it improves collaboration and it helps in compliance and security. So it helps maintain compliance and accounting standards and regulations, especially for global businesses. Then comes our studying dashboards. So a dashboard in a NetSuite is a powerful tool that gives users real-time insights into their business operations through customizable rules-based views. So a dashboard is a consolidated data from different departments like sales, finance, and inventory to provide a centralized location for managing data in one place and daily tasks, activities, and performances metrics. Then comes our NetSuite interface components. So this interface consists of several core components that provide users with a comprehensive and customizable workdays, where we can see a dashboard is there, portlets are there, chart is there, and comparisons of all things are there. Then reminders are provided here that what need to be done or what has to be completed in this meantime. Then comes our company setup. So setting up of company in NetSuite application is the first step. So we can, if we are having a company, we can just provide a name here. Then also we can make legal name also. Then account ID as per NetSuite application, it will provide us automatically. Then company logo if we want to make, and company logo in pages we want to make, we can select it from this drop down list. Then comes our bank details if we want any payment from any vendor. So we can provide our bank details over here so that we don't have to provide it again and again. And also most important is website. We have to mention website where we are operating online businesses. Then comes our KPI, which is key performance indicator. So KPI is a key performance indicator where we can see real-time data metrics that help businesses to analyze their performance against set goals. So KPIs are customizable and designed to show critical business data such as revenue, sales, trend, and operational efficiencies directly on the user's dashboard. Then comes our concept of charts. So charts in NetSuite provide visual representation of data, offering users insights into trends, comparisons, and performance metrics at a glance. So they are used primarily in dashboards and reports to help decision making quickly interpret key information such as sales performance, financial data, or inventory levels. So, concluding the same, NetSuite is a powerful cloud based solution that unifies various businesses processes into one platform, making it ideal for companies that want to streamline operations, scale efficiency, and make data driven decisions. So, from financial management to CRM and e commerce, NetSuite empowers businesses to operate efficiently and gain real time insights. So, thank you for watching, and I hope this session gave you a clear understanding of what NetSuite can offer for your business. Till then, thank you so much. Take care.